Mapo Tofu is a classic Sichuan dish in Chinese cuisine. With just a block of tofu and a small amount of ground beef. Today I'm sharing a quick home-style version. First, prepare the tofu. Ideally, use southern Chinese tofu, which is known for its smooth and delicate texture. Northern Chinese tofu can also be used. After cutting the tofu, bring water to a boil and add 1 spoon of salt. Adding salt helps the tofu hold its shape. Lower the heat and simmer for 2 minutes. Do not remove the tofu. Keep it in the hot water until needed. Heat a pan, add cooking oil, and add ground beef. Stir fry until the meat changes color. Add pixie and chili bean paste and stir fry until red oil appears. Add chili powder. Minced scallion and ginger. Sichuan pepper powder. Soy sauce. Add some water. Dark soy sauce for color. Sugar. Remove the tofu from the water and gently add it to the pan. Simmer over low heat for 5 minutes to absorb the flavor. Add the first portion of potato starch slurry to thicken the sauce. starch slurry to coat the tofu evenly. Add the third portion of starch slurry to separate the oil and sauce. Add Sichuan pepper powder once more. The dish is done. Welcome to follow and subscribe to my channel.